I started Dr. LeBay's program in the spring of last year, and I just realized that since that time, I've lost 20 pounds. I don't know how I didn't know that. I realized my clothes were looser and all those things, but I hadn't really focused on the number. I was focusing more on my health and the changes that Dr. LeBay had recommended for me, as well as the supplements that she had given me. And so when the holidays came this year, it wasn't a battle. It wasn't even a thought. I just formed this pattern and this habit of living that I just kept up. I didn't think about it. I didn't think about being or feeling deprived of anything. I just kept eating the way I had been eating and feeling the way I had been feeling. And so over the holidays, just from Thanksgiving till after Christmas, I lost 4 pounds. And that's always the time of year when I can count on gaining at least 4 pounds. And like I said, it wasn't my focus. I didn't think about it. What I thought about was just how good I feel and how much I don't want to go backwards and start feeling the aches and the pains, the headache, all of the inflammation and the things I was feeling before. And trust me, I'm the girl that's tried everything. I'm the girl that's set the resolution every year. I'm the girl that's done all the programs and, gone to the gym and done all the things. And I still believe in exercise and all those things. But what's really helped me is getting rid of the inflammation and just following the steps that Dr. LeBay has recommended. At first, I wasn't sure if I'd be able to keep it up, going gluten-free. I'm a cookie girl. I didn't know, I did it and I thought, okay, I'll do this as long as I can. I don't even think about it anymore. I love to bake. It's kind of my thing I'm known for. And I'll bake for people still, and my family, they have certain things they love, I'll bake for them, or I just switch and I make something that's gluten-free. Last night I made gluten-free pasta for dinner and nobody even knew it was gluten-free. It was so good. So I'm just here to tell you, you can do this because I'm the girl that's been trying to do it for many, many years. I have more weight I want to lose, but I'm not going to focus on the number. I'm just going to keep going with the healthy changes that Dr. LeBay has recommended. And you can do it too, and it'll make a tremendous difference in your life.